put a foam spray under hydraulic pressure. Hydraulic pressure causes the water inside the foam to come out. Now we put a wooden hammer under hydraulic pressure. Apply hydraulic pressure on the burning candle. I put a small piece of iron under hydraulic pressure. Now we put a pistol under treble hydraulic water pressure. I placed a 10 kg iron block under hydraulic pressure. Now put a camera under hydraulic pressure. I placed a large iron disc under hydraulic pressure. I put a very nice plastic toy ball under hydraulic pressure. I froze a ball in the freezer under hydraulic pressure. I give us a stall under hydraulic pressure. I placed a plastic toy mobile under hydraulic pressure. Now put a spider football under hydraulic pressure. What happens after placing two shots under hydraulic pressure? The small plastic car was completely flooded by the hydraulic pressure. Put a plastic toy lion under hydraulic pressure. I placed several small pistols under hydraulic pressure. This time I very beautiful car floated due to hydraulic pressure. Place a piece of bone under hydraulic pressure. The small tennis ball bursts under hydraulic pressure. I put a beautiful showpiece under hydraulic pressure.